Did you know that you can make up to $20 per hour just by typing on your phone? As you can see it here, you can make up to $20 per hour just by typing on your phone. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, and it doesn't matter the language that you speak. This website works worldwide, and any language that you speak, you can be able to work on this particular website. So what I'll be doing is that I'm going to show you my results. I'll also show you how this website works, and then I will show you how to use a free tool so that it can do the work for you. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The name of this website is Artesco.com. So as you can see, you are going to search for workhub.artesco.com. So when you search for that, you can find this website. So this is the name of the website. So this website, it works worldwide. As I said earlier on, wherever you are, you can use this website to make money from home. So when you come here, you can select the language that you want. There are several languages that you can select. So as you can see, I've selected United States English. You can go with French, you can go with Spanish, and many other languages. So right now, what we are going to do is that we are going to sign up for an account. So when you come here, you can see that you can sign up with your Google accounts. That is, if you have a Gmail, you can sign up with your Facebook accounts. You can also sign up here using your email address. So if you don't want to sign up with your Google accounts or Facebook accounts, you can sign up with your email address. So let me show you the details. So when you click on sign up, you are going to enter your name, you are going to enter your share name, enter your email address, choose a password, then you click on register. Once you click on register, you are going to get an email that looks like this. So once you get an email, you are going to verify your accounts before you can now start working on this website. So as you can see, let me log in here. So you click on login. So as you can see, once I click on login, you can see these are the tasks that I'm supposed to perform. But before I take you through how this website works, I'm going to show you my results before I come back. So when you come to the profile section here, you are going to click on my money. So when you click on my money, that is where you are going to get your balance that you have earned on this website. You click on that. As you can see, I've earned $56.02 for delivering 3 tasks. So as you can see it here, so this is something that you can equally do right on your phone. Once you have completed a task and you are paid, you are going to come right here and click on withdraw money. So once you click on withdraw money, you can withdraw the money through your PayPal accounts. So let's get back and I will show you more. So when you come here, you are going to go back. So once you come here, you can see that you are going to transcribe audio. So once you click on my task, you are going to get audios to transcribe. You can see $1 to $20 per hour of audio. So it means the audio has to be 1 hour. It doesn't mean that you have to be working for 1 hour before you get paid $20. So that is, the audio length will be 1 hour. So if you use 30 minutes to transcribe it, you are still going to earn the $20. Whatever minutes that you use to transcribe the 1 hour audio, you are going to be paid. It doesn't mean that you have to use exactly 1 hour to transcribe a 1 hour audio. You can use more time, you can use less time. It depends on your typing speed. So when you come here, we are going to read about the instructions that you need to follow before you transcribe the audio. So when you come to instructions, as you can see right here, they have given all the guidelines that you need to follow before you transcribe the audio. As you can see, the introduction here, you can see everything. I don't want to waste your time by reading every detail here. You can visit the website by yourself and read more. I will also leave a link in the description for you to get access to this website. So as you can see it here, speech event, everything, you can see what you are expected to do. So when you come to contractions, you can see Jimmy, you can see Gonna. You can see that these words are allowed when transcribing in English. So you can use words like this, gonna, you can see let me, you can see wanna. So you are allowed to use these words. When you come to the abbreviation, you can see unless it is at the end of a sentence. So abbreviation must be at the end of the sentence. You can see he's 6'2". So you can see this, you can abbreviate something if the word is at the end of a sentence. So when you scroll down, you can see many other details. You can see sample speech and corrections. So you have to visit the website so that you can get detailed information about the instructions so that you can begin to work with this website. You can see commerce, how to use commerce. You can see when you scroll, you can see the different things that you are expected to do. So let me close this. So when you come back to the website, you can do transcribing, which will earn you $20 per audio hour. So when you have 1 hour audio and you are able to transcribe, you are going to earn up to $20. You can see repeat out loud. So when you come here, when you complete the task, you are going to earn up to $9 per hour. When you come here, you can see say it in your own words. When you are able to perform this task, you are going to earn $9 per hour, and you can see what it is about. So when you come here and you complete the task, you are going to earn up to $5 per audio hour. So if the audio is 1 hour and you are able to see what the audio is about, you are going to earn up to $5 per audio hours. When you come down here, you can see that you can also invite someone, and when you invite a friend, a family member, you can earn up to $10 per one referral. So you are going to invite a lot of people to join this website so that you can earn money with this particular website. So now let's begin with the transcription jobs. So when you come here and click on complete tasks, you are going to get tasks if they are available. So as you can see here, currently I don't have a task available. So if I had some, I would have demonstrated for you to see. So here what it basically means is that they are going to give you an audio to transcribe. So you listen to the audio and you type it either on your phone or on your computer or on your tablet. You can do that, and when you are able to complete the transcription, then you submit it to the website. See, let's go back and I'll show you. When you come to repeat out loud, let's click on complete task. So once you click on complete task, you are going to enter your phone number here, and you can get the task so that you can now complete it on your phone and you submit it back to the website. So that is it. When you come back to the say it in your own words, when you click on it, you are also going to enter your phone number, and then they will send you the task. When you scroll down to see what it is about, you are going to click on complete task. So once you click on complete task, you can see that currently I don't have tasks in that particular category. So this website provides you the opportunity to earn in different ways. So you can also click here to invite your friend, your family members. As here, when you click on invite, you are going to get a special link which you can share with your friends and family, and you'll be getting paid when they join this website. So now the audio transcription, if you are not a fast typist, if you can't type fast, you are going to use a website called temi.com. On this website, when you have an audio, they can transcribe it for you for free. So you can use the trial version for some time, then they will ask you to upgrade. So by then you should have earned money on atesco.com so that you can pay for the upgrade. So I'm not promoting this website, I'm just recommending it to you if you are not able to type fast. So when you come here and click on select audio, you are going to upload an audio that you are given by Atesco so that you can now transcribe it here and then resubmit the results to Atesco, and you'll be earning money for free. Let me just upload an audio for you to see. So when you come here, I just click on upload file, and you can see here I have some audios that I want to just transcribe for you to see. So you click on, let me click on this audio. So once you click on the audio is going to upload. Once it uploads, it is going to be transcribed. Once you transcribe, they will send it through an email to you, and you can get access to the text version of the audio. So as you can see, once you upload your audio to temi.com, you can see they have done everything. They are asking me whether the background noise is free, and I will click on yes, 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 then click on proceed. So once you click on proceed, you are going to enter your email, and they are going to send the text onto your email. So let me do that for you to see. So let me choose this email, and you are going to click on agree to terms of service. Once you agree, you are going to click on send. So once you click on send, you can see final step. Check your email for a welcome email from Temi. Your transcript will follow in a few minutes. So let me click on OK. Then I'll go to my email. So as I come to my email, you can see the welcome email right here. So let me open it. Once you open it, you are going to see something like this, and very soon transcript will come. Then you can get access to the transcript. So as you can see it here. So let me go back and see if the transcript is in. So as you can see, this is now the transcript of the audio that I have uploaded. You can see everything here. And what you are going to do is that you are going to click on view transcript. So you click on view. Now once you click on view, so you are going to enter a password. Let me enter a password. Once you enter a password, you're going to click on save. So once you click on save, you can see this is the transcript of the audio. And what you are going to do is that you are now going to copy this transcript and send it to Atesco, and you'll be earning money for free. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Once again, thank you for watching. We shall meet in another video.